everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to dive into this new ABH palette, the Norvina. So I don't know if you can see. Oh, you can see. Sorry, I didn't know if my mirror was blocking your view. So we're going to dive into this palette and we're going to swatch it. Yes, I'm going to swatch it. And then we will take it for a spin ourselves. I always save these ABH brushes. They're pretty good brushes. Alright, so this is what the palette looks like on the inside. This is all shimmer on top and matte on the bottom. Very similar to how The Rock does their palettes. So, yeah. We will just dive right into this. Take it for a spin. So I'm just going across the top row. There are 7 shades in here. Those are the first 4. I'm sorry, there's 7 shimmers, 7 mattes. It's the first 4 shimmers. They're very soft. Very soft, so don't dig too hard. Those are the other 4 shimmers. Now we'll do our mattes. I really like it when a palette looks like I've already dug into it because I'm doing swatches. Alright, there's the first 3 matte, I'm sorry, the first 4 mattes. I'm struggling. Struggling with words today. Words. And then there's the last 3. So the mattes look very pigmented. We will take it for a test drive. How's that? That's so corny, take it for a test drive. I'm a little bit cuckoo. I feel like we have to do declutter my palettes because my palettes are all over the place and I don't know what I have, and that's very embarrassing to say, but it is a fact. It is a fact of life for me. Maybe next month we'll do that, or in a couple weeks we'll do that. I don't want to do that today. That is a long video. I wish I knew. I know you guys hear it, that I clear my throat all the time. Excuse me. I wish I knew why I did that. I don't even know I do it until I edit a video. Okay, we're gonna go into this thing, and I wish I could. We're gonna go into this shade right here. It's called Base, and we're gonna put that on our lids. Ooh, it's kicking up a little bit. Watch out! Somebody will be calling it subculture before you know it. Oh. Or what was that other one that they didn't like? They didn't like the Prism either. Never had a problem with any other palettes. Don't understand why people complain so much. Alright. So, I think I'm going to go with the... I know I'm going to go with the purple pink theme because it's all over this palette. So I'm going to go into this shade right here. It is called Passion. I don't think I'm going to make that a transition shade, sorry. I'm going to go into Love, which is the pink, and see. No. Oh, you really do love to love. I need tape. Need tape. Oh, got a bumpy on my chin. Alright. Now we're going to go into that passion, that darker purpley color. Just going to put that, I think, on the outer part of my eye. On the outer V. It's going to be where we get our depth. Ooh! Alright. That really got pigmented on me fast. I'm not scared. Be light-handed with this palette at first until you realize, or until you understand how it's going to go on. Let's see if we can blend this out a little bit. Just blend that out a little bit. Yeah. It is, it is performing. I hate that my eyes don't perform the same way. I shouldn't be whining, should I? There's no whining in baseball. I think I really, this purple right here, this celestial, oh, Lord, that is just screaming at me. We're going to see how you do. Alright, so, no, dry brush, no good. Wet brush, yeah. I think focus that more on the inner part of my eye. And I'm gonna blend this with a darker color. A darker shimmer shade in the middle of those two. Because I don't think that, I don't know that this is what I want all over my eye. Or all on the end part. Inner. Dang. Susan, I can't talk. Okay. Where are we at here? I need a flat brush. So I'm going to go into this color right here. It is called a Drama. Shocking. And see if we can't use that to blend. Yeah. There's so many ways you could go with this palette. I really feel like I should have done something a little bit different. But that's why it's mine, and I get to keep trying it. Because the next look will not be the same as this look. Yeah. What do you think, guys? I think not so much. I think it could have been very different. Sorry. I'm like wiping away my foundation. But it does have quite a bit of fallout. So I would recommend tape or don't put your foundation on. I have no idea what I'm doing. Not that that's surprising to anyone. This is my Laura Geller. It's just what I keep in my drawer to use every day or when I'm doing videos. Ooh. Put a little bit of lip gloss on. Put a little bit under my eyes. I forgot to do that. Sorry guys. And I put a little bit in my inner corner. Some things make all the difference in the world. Don't drop that brush. All right, that's much better. So what do you guys think? What do you think? My hair is a mess? Me too. I think my hair is a mess. Okay. All right, guys. So that is the look I got using the Norvina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. If you enjoy the Modern Renaissance, the Soft Glam, any of her palettes, you will like this. It's pigmented, it performs, it's a great palette. Alright guys, I love you so much. Thanks. Mwah.